Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today we're gonna make a broccoli and eggplant bake that you are going to love. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna line a baking sheet with some parchment paper or silly pad, whatever you prefer. Then we're gonna slice our eggplant in half. And look at this beautiful eggplant. It's out of this world. I absolutely love this dish. We place our halves side up, open up, and we add a pinch of salt. Now we're gonna take our broccoli and we're gonna cut it from the end. So we slice the end, and from bottom to top, we cut a couple of halves. You will probably get about 2 or 3 of these halves, and those are the ones that we're going to use on top of each dish to decorate. The rest, of course, we're going to cook and we're going to eat, but we're going to put them in the bottom, and this way our dish is going to look absolutely beautiful. We're also going to cook these little pieces around our other vegetables and fit them in our baking pan. That's about a vegetable serving for 2. And it can also be a main dish for 1. Here we go. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt to our broccoli, and we are gonna create our secret seasoning. We have some garlic cubes, a couple of garlics that have been pressed and cubed and frozen like I've taught you, and a tablespoon of olive oil. We are gonna add now some delicious mix of ZATAR. It is a teaspoon of ZATAR that I actually bought in Turkey, and I love it. I keep it refrigerated. Now we mix this and we wanna spread it over all of our vegetables. So I add some extra almond milk, a couple of tablespoons, 2 or 3, and that way it's gonna be easier to spread it through all of the vegetables. They will all be flavored and delicious. Here we go. Sprinkle the vegetables with our seasoning, and it's super easy. Check this out. Takes less than a minute, and we are done. Our vegetables are ready to go into the oven. I'm baking them at 375 degrees in a convection oven for about 15 minutes. That's it. Check this out. If you want to have this meal as a side dish, you can serve it as it is. But if you want to have it as a meal, I usually add some Greek yogurt, and it comes out beautiful and delicious. Check it out. You can also add some yogurt if it's going to be a side dish, just you don't need to add so much. You should add more if it's going to be a meal so you can have some more extra protein. Here it goes. We're ready to serve. We plate the broccoli. On top, we plate our eggplant, and then we sprinkle with a little bit of cilantro. We're going to serve it as a side dish, and I love it. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. My very favorite roasted eggplant dish is this one. And you have never tasted some broccoli that tastes better. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.
Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.